chicken meatball with winter dew soup. And here are the ingredients. You need one winter dew young one, garlic, 2 garlic, 1 cup of ground chicken. This is chicken soup base mix, sugar, salt, oyster sauce, light soy sauce, and seasoning sauce. Let's marinate the ground chicken first. You need 1 teaspoon of chicken mix, 1 teaspoon of sugar, half teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon of light soy sauce, and 1 teaspoon of seasoning sauce. Okay daw. 저녁에 이따 되면 일도나 맛있어. 오케이, 그래서 우리 종이 맛다리 좀 넣어. 이제 뭐 또 뜨는 넣어주세요. 먼저 따뜻해보세요. Rồi nên chạy tao nó ta chế như chúng nó rồi có cú nè. Ta chế như sao? Okay, when you remove the winter dude's skin done and you dice like this, okay, then you need to boil and make the soup. Okay, you're going to roll it into a ball like this, the chicken, and then don't make too big, it won't cook. So, just put in the water, and this pot is about 6 cups. If you make more, a lot, you just put more water. If not, you just put about 6 cups. And when the meatball is floating, then it's cooked. And then you could put this in. Put the white or winter noodle in there. And then we'll add 2 teaspoons of chicken mix. And another teaspoon of salt. Okay, you're going to let it cook about 15 minutes, then it's done. And turn off the stove. If you like spicy, you could add some chilies in there, okay? So smash. Okay, it's done, so let's go and eat. Okay, here's my brown rice. And here's the soup. Okay, these are very healthy and very delicious. So you will go make it and we'll see you next time. Okay, bye.